doors closing. Next stop unknown. Morning light through the window pane, 2 tickets in the pouring rain. You looked at me and softly smiled, like we could stay here for a while. Train starts moving soft and slow, watching cities come and go, reflections dancing on the glass. Didn't think this ride would pass. Shoulder to shoulder, quiet but loud, lost in a moment inside the crowd. Same train, same view, everything changed when I met you. Same sky, same line, but somehow your world became mine. Don't let this end, not just pretend. Headphones split one song, 2 hearts, didn't know where we would start. Your hand brushed mine for just a second, felt like time just got suspended. Stations passing, we don't care, as long as I'm still with you there. Same train, same view, everything changed when I met you. Same road, same light, but I see it different tonight. This is just a passing ride. Why does it feel like you're mine? Why do I hope it never ends, like we are more than just friends? Next stop coming, silence grows. Same train, same view, but something's changing inside you. Same sky, same line, I can feel you slipping from mine.